What's up, Texas Toast? Tonight I have a pretty basic but essential to do on the E36. In my previous video I pointed out that my grills don't want to stay in, and it's just this brand of grill, whatever, I think it's ECS, but they doesn't want to stay in. This one like falls out, this one is very loose. So I'm gonna go back to the classic OEM chrome ones. But first I'm gonna have to clean them up. And the car's a 98, so they're ancient, but hopefully they come out pretty nice. I think it'll look a lot better than this. Okay. Found these in the parts room. Like I said, they're from 98. They have signs of wear on them. The chrome, it's not the best, but what's important is the clips that hold it into the car functioned properly when they were in, and they didn't break when I took them out. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe them down, wipe both grills down, and see how good I can get them, and that'll really be the determining factor if I can use them or if I need to buy a new set. There's dirt down inside of each one of these fins. I would love to separate the two pieces of the grill. From my experience, however, these clips are super fragile, and chances are once you get it apart, it will never go back together again. After doing just one of them, I think it's a big success. A little bit of black restoration on the fins, get some of the old dirt off of the chrome piece, and it's looking really nice. So I think the operation is a go. Definitely gonna run them. Time to do the second one. Turned out nice. Super good restoration on those, just for a little bit of light work. Time to go ahead, rip that thing out real quick, throw it in the trash, and pop them in. Look at that. They snapped in like they never left. Dang. Try to get the angle. That looks nice on there. Very happy I did that. So, you have an E36, don't throw out your chrome grills. You might just end up wanting them. Super quick video, but thank you chess pieces for watching. Peace. This right here is burnt toast. Burnt toast. This right here is black shine. This is what makes that look so good. Burnt toast, black shine. That's the butter.